Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please. Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of Thuli Madonsela. The former public protector Thuli Madonsela found herself in the midst of a Twitter spat, albeit one-sided, after her daughter claimed she was being subtweeted. Thuli Madonsela Msimang on Sunday responded to a tweet posted by her mother, which discussed self-doubt, making someone a prisoner of external validation. Thuli then accused her mother of stooping low and slammed her tweet for being toxic. Later, Thuli said subtweeting was a form of delusional revenge, which was followed by a series of tweets, none of which were addressed by Madonsela. She also said Melo's Kingdom, a book written by Madonsela and Thuli in 2020, was also being used by her for selfish gains. In Thuli's original tweet, users began to point out that Thuli was tweeting about it and encouraged her to fix her family feud. Thuli wrote, "The most important relationship that we all have, which defines all our other relationships, is the relationship with ourselves. Fix your relationship with yourself and automatically your relationships with the world become healthy." Another Twitter user replied and said, "Your daughter is crying for your attention. It does not help your case. If you can't fix your family feud, your daughter wants the attention you give to people who don't matter to you. That's the important relationship you must attend, and the rest will follow." Thuli has previously spoken openly about her battle with mental health, telling You Magazine she was diagnosed with bipolar 2 disorder many years ago. She said in the interview her mother had been an integral part of her journey to live with her mental illness. She also encouraged people to acknowledge those with mental health disorders, as they suffer an invisible threat that can prove deadly. Well, I don't think it's a good idea to put your family problems on social media. Thuli is still Thuli's daughter. Nothing will ever change that. What are your thoughts on this issue, people? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online Channel loves you. Bye, good people.